I actually do on a daily basis is I use this palette, the Masquerade Mini by Juvia. Can you see it? So I use this palette and I use like 2 shades in it. Inside, I used to use this one on a daily basis until it actually faded away. So now I use this one in a combination with this one, these two together. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So just pick up the 2 of them and mix them together. Then I apply it all over my brush, my eyelid with this big ass brush. So yeah. Next thing I'm going to do is use this MAC gel eyeliner that I've been using for like ages and apply it with a small angled brush. I don't know if you can see it, a small angled brush. Then just wing it, you know. And there you have it. So let me tell you guys, 90% of the time I actually go like this. I never put eyelashes or anything like that. I just apply a bit of mascara. Yeah, it's kind of before I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows, then put on my... Okay, for lashes, I'm going to be using this Mink 3D lashes. And I'm just gonna apply them offline and then I'll be right back with you guys, and yes, I will see you guys after I've applied the lashes in a minute. So now what I'm going to do is go back to the eyeshadow palette I was using, and with a tiny brush, let me show you, with this brush. So using this brush, I'm just going to use first two shades I was using. I'm just going to mix them both and then apply them underneath my eyes. Then going back with the MAC palette, MAC gel, I'm just gonna use that and apply it on my lower waterline. Then I will just go back with the same brush I was using earlier and smudge that together, blend all this together. So after that, I am going to be using the Black Up contouring stick. I'll put the products I've been using down in the description box, so if you guys want to know what products I was using, you can check in the description box. Yes, so I'm going to use the lighter side, which is kind of almost over because I use it on a practically everyday basis, and just apply it under my eyes and anywhere I feel like I have dark spots, especially on my forehead. Just no, I won't use a lot of products, just kinda a little. Then go in with a foundation brush and blend that in. I'm doing this because I usually have dark circles around my eyes. They're not that bad, but they're noticeable sometimes. Together with my forehead, just blend that. Okay, so now I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics concealer. The lightest shade, because it's in the shade dark. So I'm using the lightest shade and applying that again under my eyes. Just a little to like, for like an everyday kind of look, not like a dramatic look. Then I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so now I'll go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I won't make my face, so just apply it and then swipe it off. Drop down the excess powder, and then poof, there we go. This side is kind of looking a little bit yellow. Okay, so after that I will use the CoverGirl Queen in the shade Ebony to bring back my, what is it called, like bring back my skin tone, like, yes, bring back my tone. After that, I'm going to be using the Huda Liquid Matte Lipstick. Okay, so before that, let me just set my face. I'm going to set my face using the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, MAC Prep and Prime, and while that happens, I'll be using the Huda. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Dark Color Lock and the shade Devotion, and apply it after this one is dried up. Okay, so this is more like my everyday go-to kind of look. So you will always probably find me wearing this lip shade. If you guys love this everyday kind of makeup look that I do, most of the days I never wear lashes, so let me not exaggerate. You want to see more of my makeup looks? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share with your friends and family and relatives and whoever actually wants to watch makeup stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. So bye.